sound. Choose the recording region for screen recording. Once you choose the recording region, the screen will start recording automatically. Once you have finished your recording, click the stop button to save the file. If you want to record GIF, then go to GIF recording. I will show you a demo. It's amazing software. Follow this tutorial on how to download Sharex screen recording software on your PC.